the meeting chat, so better you speak up or you chat to meeting chat. Chat di sini aja. Siapa izin? Kenapa? Just wait. What's going on here? Apa nih? Bentar ya. Sir, izin saya Chelsea. Kalau misalnya nanti saya disuruh share screen HP, saya cuman adalah. Yeah, you may ask some students ya. You may ask some student. I mean that you may ask some of your friends in your meeting to ask her or him to share the screen. Ya, kamu boleh minta tolong teman-teman kamu untuk share screen. Okay, I'm going to use my phone too so that we can join all students. There are here 25 students. Kita masih nunggu. Don't be scared, don't be shy, ya. Yes?
Yang tadi, yang kedua apa dasar Canva dan summary-nya kumpul ke Sir pas pelajaran berakhir ya?
Ya, pelajaran berakhir. Nanti Sir akan berikan waktunya untuk kerja juga lah. Siapa tahu ada yang masih harus ketik-ketik dulu kan. Ayo, siapa lagi nih yang belum join? Ayo, udah 9:10 loh. Come on. I'm going to consider you as late ya. Ayo, siapa nih yang belum join? Could you please tell others? Because I guess some students still in the group meeting. Mereka masih ada di grup masing-masing untuk latihan presentasi. Tapi we have to join this meeting too. Because we are going to start our meeting. Jangan ini ya, pokoknya jangan stres gitu. Wait ya, wait. Oke, pokoknya jangan stres aja, nggak apa-apa. Don't be scared, don't be stressful. This is just a presentation in English ya. Nggak apa-apa, salah nggak apa-apa, salah baca nggak apa-apa. Just take a note. I'm going to tell you the feedback later. Nanti kalau ada yang salah ya udah nggak apa-apa. Nanti kita belajar aja lagi ya. Jadi jangan yang kayak takut. Aduh aku takut. Ada yang chat Sir sampai dakdikduk Sir, jantung aku gitu kan. Jangan ya, jangan takut ya. Karena kita bawanya santai aja ya. Presentation in English of course because I teach English ya. Freya sudah join? Freya, have you joined? And some students, let me see first ya. Kalau dilihat-lihat sih semua udah kecuali Freya. Freya, have you joined Freya? Udah? Bisa atau Sir telepon ya, supaya you also can hear students voice here. Okay, so I have already recorded. Okay, good. What's going on? Oh, I thought something happened ya. Wait ya. Kamu udah join? Udah? Yang lain udah join? Silakan ambil buku catatan sama pen-pennya ya di sini ya. Please take your note, everyone. Take your note, your pen, pencil, because you need to write it your friend's presentation. Shh. Gak boleh lari-lari. Okay. So without any further ado, let's start our meeting. And I've already recorded. So good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Coba yang di meeting di sini. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, much louder ya. So you need to have a spirit. Gimana kabarnya semuanya? How are you, everyone? By the way, ada yang sudah mulai stres? Coba angkat tangannya. Mana? Coba terlihat. Coba seperti biasa. Yang sudah mulai stressful. This is a stress week, I know ya. I guess that we have four weeks to go before the final test ya. 4 weeks or around 1 month ya. Wah banyak ya. How many students nih? Let me check with my 14 students. Okay, 15 students ya. Please be honest to yourself. Yang stres siapa? Ayo, nggak apa-apa. That's okay, that's fine. Yang di sini siapa yang stres? Ayo. Nggak apa-apa, nggak boleh bohong, harus jujur ya. Please be honest with yourself. Yang di sini stres siapa? Angkat tangannya. Kamu, Yosafat? Oh ya, bentar ya. Because your friends ask me to Yosafat, bentar ya. Iya, banyak banget ya sambilan ya. Iya, banyak banget ya yang stres ya. I know you're stressed ya. I know how you feel ya. Because when I was in junior high school, I also face something kind of like that. Ya, jadi Sir juga pernah stres. Tapi kita harus tahu bahwa we still have a good times. Ingat loh, kalian, I should say that Christmas is coming, everyone, and then you have your long break later ya, before you have your second semester. Jadi kalau yang udah mulai stres, ayo cari refreshing ya, jangan lupa refreshing. I should say that refreshing is also good loh for yourself ya, jangan sampai stres. Kalau sudah mulai stres, depression or some kind of like that, please contact me ya, please just cerita aja, cerita ke Sir atau cerita ke orang tua kalian supaya Sir bisa bantu ya. Jadi jangan sampai ada yang stres ya, depres ya. Jadi jangan ya. Sir mau semua anak-anak Sir yang kelas 8 ini semua dalam keadaan yang ceria meskipun tugas banyak. Ya, you need to face the reality ya everyone ya. This is the reality. So before we start, let me share screen first ya. Jadi nggak apa-apa ya teman-teman ya yang stres, yang mungkin ada yang baik di sini. How are you by the way? Who are fine? Yang baik saja. Karena kalau Sir nanya, how are you everyone? I'm fine. And just lie to yourself ya. Karena kalian kayaknya bohong sama Sir kalau misalnya bilang, oh, I'm fine ya. Jangan ya, harus jujur ya. You need to be honest ya. Because if you are not honest, how can I tell yourself? How can I help you? Kenapa Geraldo sama iya nggak apa-apa ya. Tetap harus apa ya, keep in touch ya with me ya. So if you are stressed or you're depressed or you need to someone to tell a story ya, you just can chat me because I still online, and then you also can chat your homeroom teacher Pak Simon, isn't it? Pak Simon, right? Yeah, Pak Simon ya, Pak Simon. And then you also can tell to your parents ya. Jadi jangan sampai stres ya, stres banget atau depressed tuh no ya. Langsung ya, harus ini. So everyone, let's move on. Welcome to 27th meeting ya. Finally we passed the 26th meeting ya. Jadi kita sudah lewatin tuh pertemuan ke-26. Sekarang pertemuan keberapa? Iya, pertemuan 27 ya. Nanti kalau saya tanya, don't forget to answer it ya. You may mix with bahasa Indonesia. And then, so I have already recorded this meeting, and don't forget to check this recording to our announcement ya. Jadi Sir ada pengumuman setiap harinya, every day when you meet me in this class ya. So before we start the presentation, I'm going to talk some important things first ya, just like a reminders and then learning objective and all ya. So the first one is I'm going to remind you again about our rules ya. I have already uploaded and revised some there ya. Jadi Sir ada peraturan di kelas. Jadi jangan lupa iya benar banget, read ya, baca read ya. Don't forget to read ya. Don't forget to read the rules, because if you don't read the rules, how we can conduct this class well ya. Jadi peraturan tuh sangat penting. That's why ya we learn about have to and doesn't have to, don't have to, and has to ya. But this one is you have to follow the rules ya, harus ikutin peraturannya, just like the brief one ya. And then still ya, our topic is about successful people. With the material is don't have to, doesn't have to, and has to. These materials is based on your experience. I know that some of you will be one of the successful people in this world. Jadi Sir percaya bahwa kalian adalah orang-orang sukses di masa depan. Setuju? Katakan amin. Amin ya. Yang di meeting amin. Katakan amin.
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 Amin, Sir. Ya, oke ya. Thank you ya. Amen, everyone. Ya. Okay, so these are our learning objectives. this only one, yeah, students will be able to present the success criteria from prominent figures through presentation slides using the Canva application in a group of 5 until 6 people according to speaking skills rubric. Yeah, I should say that I believe that most of you have read the rubric, but I'm going to remind you later about the rubric. Okay, so these are our contents. The first one we are going to review. Let's play Kahoot first. Kita akan main dulu sebelum kalian stres dengan presentasi. Jadi kita main dulu peregangan. Still let's just like review ya. Review dulu. Nanti ada yang lupa lagi. Aduh kapan ya gunakan have to. Aduh kapan ya gunakan has to. Aduh kapan nah. Pasti ada yang lupa. Review first ya. So we are going to avoid that situation ya. The second one is I'm going to give you overview and general feedback about group working one. Yeah, I hope that you didn't forget about that one. Yeah, group working yang kemarin baru dibagikan. Yeah, and the third one is reminder for the rubric and summary. The fourth one is presentation, group presentation. Yeah, so the part that you are most waiting for ya, kalian pasti nunggu-nunggu kan, ada yang mau ngomong, sudah mau buka kamera, udah mau presentasi, ada yang malu-malu, jangan malu-malu ya. The fifth one is we are going to reflect together for today's material. Kita akan gunakan Padlet ya. Sudah tahu Padlet? Sudah kan ya? Ada yang pernah ini? Sudah kan? First meeting reflection, second meeting reflection pakai Padlet. Pasti semua sudah tahu ya. Gimana di meeting? Sudah tahu pernah pakai Padlet sebelumnya? Halo? Halo? Oke, udah pakai Padlet reflection, ingat gak yang suruh meta connection sheets itu? Halo? Waduh, udah yang lupa ya kayaknya ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa, that's fine. I'm going to remind you again ya. So, the next one is closing and summary submission. Any questions so far? Ada yang mau tanya? Di sini sih nggak ada. Ada yang mau ditanya di meeting? Any questions?
Tak ada.
Tak ada ya. Oke ya, jawab ya. Jangan diem-diem ya. Kalau diem-diem tahu-taunya ketiduran. Nah, habis itu ya. Jangan ketiduran ya. Di cluster nggak ada yang ketiduran ya. Please, if you have any questions, just raise your hand ya. Okay, don't be scared ya. So, wait. Nah, so before we start our group presentation, let's play Kahoot first. Yeah, we are going to play Kahoot first. Let me prepare that first. Yeah. Okay, wait. Yeah, I hope that the internet connection is really friendly with us. Yeah. No sir, yeah, that's fine. Just a presentation. Yeah. Kita main Kahoot dulu. Please join with play Kahoot. .it. Ayo masuk Kahoot dulu. Kahoot.it. This is the campaign. Please look at on your screen, everyone. Just wait. Let me include with the audio. Jangan diam-diam ya. Ada yang kalau dia mau nanya aja, nggak masalah. Okay. So Ino Sanchez is the first player. Geraldo with the sticker. Teresa, okay. The game pin is 2957131. Yeah. Come on, everyone must participate ya. Yeah. Come on. Okay, Manuel, Nael, Alicia. Okay, Jensen, Domingo, Esther, Chelsea, Ginny, Vivi, Sharon, Teresa, Geraldo, Ino, Kezia Lubis, hi Kezia, Gabriel, Mercedes Gunawan, yeah, without N, that's fine, Marco Septian, Marco, what about Marco Marcelino? Vincent Faretsky, Jennifer, ya. Yusafat sudah? Have you joined? Please join in. Jose Keitaro, okay. Theo sudah, Freya Jaslyn sudah. Have you join? Nah ya, please join ya. Kylie, okay. We still wait for 9 students, please. Come on, before we start, come on. The winner will get a prize. A prize, a gift ya, nanti ya giftnya ya. Oke. Oke, for students. Okay, I also place that quality, I guess. This one quality is that internet connection. Okay, yeah. You can hear my voice. Can you hear my voice, everyone, clearly? Bisa dengar suara Sir nggak?
Yes, sir.
Ya, sir.
Bisa ya?
Bisa,
No,
sir.
sir. Thank you.
Because written here is bad bad network internet quality. Steve, okay. Subscribers cannot join, they chat me. Okay. So if you cannot join this Kahoot game, that's fine because after this I'm going to share the link so you can practice by yourself at home. Saya akan berikan linknya. But for those who can join it, please join ya. Jadi yang di sini mungkin karena internetnya nggak ini bisa lihat ke ini ya layarnya ya supaya you can know oh this is the answer, this is the question ya. Jadi bisa supaya tahu. If you have to, don't have to. There are 10 questions only ya. A doctor study medicine. Ini gampang banget ya. It's very normally difficult. This is just a review. 3, 2, 1. Iya, has to ya, bener banget. For those who still answer have to, remember that a doctor is a singular subject ya. Ingat singular, yang only one person itu loh, maka nggak harus pakai has to. Next, ya Olivia Anthony in the first rank, Chelsea second, Mercy third, Freya fourth, and Evelyn Alicia fifth. Good. Question number 2. A waitress be a good at soccer. Sorry. The answer. Oh, dapat. 3, 2. Sudah mulai tegang ya di sini udah aduh katanya kan. Iya bener banget ya, doesn't have to ya. A waitress doesn't have to be a good at soccer. Masa sih dia harus baik di soccer, bola, waitress loh. Tahu waitress artinya apa? Ya, benar. Yang makanan, ya. Ya, betul banget ya. Jadi dia nggak perlu harus baik di soccer ya. Banyak yang jawab apa nih? Banyak yang jawab don't have to. Remember, a waitress ya, singular ya. Jangan lupa. Yang sering bilang oh satu aja tuh, satu. Nah, next. Wah, move ya Chelsea now in the first round. Next. Question number 3. University students like me, tadi lihat. Ya, benar banget ya, have to ya, benar. Yang masih don't have to, are you sure about that one? This is university student ya. Come on ya, benar, have to. Okay, ya. Chelsea still ya. Arsyafin welcome to the top 5. A lawyer, remember a lot of facts. Time's up. Betul banget ya, a lawyer. Lawyer artinya apa?
Pengacara.
Iya, pengacara ya. Ingat pengacara. Kalian remember that you need to focus on the meaning first ya. Jadi meaningnya yang paling penting before you go to the structure. Because if you don't know the meaning, you cannot answer it correctly. Kalau kamu nggak ngerti meaningnya tuh, nanti kamu nggak tahu jawaban kedepannya apa, jawaban yang benar ya. Please ya, focus on the meaning first, the semantic area. Ya benar ya, a lawyer has to remember lots of facts. Benar banget. Ya, still ya. Next, question number 5. If you want to study literature, you read lots of literature, some kind of like storytelling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, have to ya. If you want to study literature, you have to read lots of book. Literatur ya, literatur. Banyak banget buku yang harus kita baca ya. I'm majoring in literature, so that's why I have to read a lot of books. Good. Yep, still ya. 11 players have reached answer strict 3. Congratulations for that one. Question number 6. A bus driver have a drive. Ya benar banget ya, harus punya apa itu? Artinya apa? Iya benar. Benar. Yang di meeting apa?
SIM.
Ya betul, SIM ya. It's surat izin mengemudi ya. You haven't got it. Okay. Got around. Okay, good. Question number 7. The students are going to do a course in mathematics. They ... be good at math. Internet connection is not really good because of the picture. Because of that, the picture cannot. Okay, that's fine. Okay ya, have to. Bener banget ya, have to. Mereka kan mau belajar matematika, berarti mereka harus bagus dong di matematika. Kalau enggak kan how they can pass the course? Bagaimana mereka bisa lulus di pelajaran itu? Yep, good. Chelsea still in the first rank. Question number 8. A police officer ... be good at handling. Are you sure? Do they have to be good at handling? Oke, 24 students. Ya, benar banget ya, doesn't have to ya. Yang masih jawab don't have to, please ya. Please, look at this one ya. Ada kata gini, ada Ingat, kalau itu singular, pasti ya. Pasti, kalau depannya artikelnya pasti itu singular. Next. Geraldo is the highest climber. Good. Still Chelsea ya. Question number 9. John is a journalist. He ... wear a uniform, but he ... wears smart clothes. Please read the sentence first, yeah, and try to figure out the meaning. After that, you can answer it correctly in the correct time. Iya, bener banget ya. He doesn't have to wear a uniform, but he has to wear smart clothes. Ya, kayak gini nih, smart clothes tuh kayak gini. Kayak baju kemeja, terus ada celana kain, sepatu pantufel, some kind of like that ya. Uniform is just like for students and teachers. I haven't got it actually. But next, still moving on. Come on, moving on. Question number 10 of 10. Sally is a nurse. She ... works very long hours. Try to figure out the meaning first ya. Figure out the meaning first. Yep, has to ya. You know, some nurses, they have to work really for long hours. They have different schedule. Misalnya mereka on the morning they have to work or with the certain times, and then after that, misalnya on afternoon mereka juga harus kerja. Terus at the night mereka juga harus kerja. So this is just like a news job, ya. Okay, please come back to this meeting, everyone. For those who have already come back to this meeting, please raise your hand. Yang sudah balik silakan angkat tangannya. Saya mau lihat, jangan buka Chrome tab lainnya. Come on, please. Please come back to this meeting. 17, 23, 27, okay, 32. What about Cassie, Freya, and Hans Federico, Kylie, and Vivi? Have you come back? Udah? Okay. Hans Federico, what about you? Okay, sudah ya, berarti. Okay, good. So we are going to reveal the winner. The winner will get 10 points for his or her assignments as the reward. Okay, please reveal the winner, sir. Good. Okay. So the second runner-up is Olivia Anthony. Congratulations. The third runner-up is Evan Olivia, and the winner is I bet you know the winner. Aja, jangan kita nggak sekarang. Iya, mana vlognya buat ini. Who are not the winner, that's fun. Ya, the most important thing is you understand about the material. Jadi kalau yang belum menang nggak apa-apa ya, kalian sudah yang penting kalian ngerti gitulah ya, kalian ngerti gimana cara. Oh ini pakai ini, oh kita tuh butuh ini dulu. Okay, we have already review. That one is for our formative test ya. I don't take the score, nggak ambil nilainya, but I will to check ya. Nanti kalau ada yang memang ternyata di bawah 80, di bawah 72, so I have to call you ya, because kamu akan ikut tambahan supaya bisa ini. So any questions so far? Krik. Any questions so far? If you don't have, just say no, or you have, please raise your hand. Any questions so far? Ada yang mau tanya?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Or yes? What about the others? Any questions?
No, sir.
No.
No, good. Ada di sini ada yang mau tanya? Any questions? So, for those who are still confused or probably you forgot about our material, I have to remind you about our learning video ya. Jadi ada learning video. Ingat ya, kalian kalau lupa atau apa dengan materinya, silakan buka learning videonya lagi. Nanti Sir akan berikan linknya kembali. I'm going to share this PPT. Kalian tinggal klik terus nanti jangan lupa, don't forget to like, subscribe ya. Jangan lupa ya, subscribe. Siapa tahu bisa jadi artis ya. Oh, no, I'm kidding ya. I love my my occupation as a teacher ya, anyway ya. So jangan lupa subscribe, jangan lupa like. Siapa tahu nanti Sir bikin learning video, you are the first person who will watch and like it ya. Jangan lupa ya dinonton ya, ditonton. Jangan lupa nonton, jangan lupa diulang lagi supaya you know, oh yeah, I forgot about this one ya. Oh, the rules is this. Oh, you have to know the meaning. Okay, so group working 1 and overview general feedback. So I have already given you feedback ya. Please for the leaders ya, semua leaders ya, silakan bagikan filenya. Please give it to your members so that the members can know, oh di salahnya ini. Most of you still make mistake, especially on the grammar aspects and the semantic aspects ya, the meaning. So you have to consider the meaning first. Jadi itu paling penting tuh arti dulu nih sebelum you make the sentence. Ya, jadi arti dulu. Kalian pikir dulu mau artinya apa, baru kalian bikin meaning, baru bikin sentence-nya with the precise grammar, or we can select structure. Jadi sebelum kalian tuh tahu tuh meaningnya apa, segala macam, meaningnya dulu, baru structure-nya. The most important thing is the meaning and the structure. Letter. Ya, please ya, share the file ya. Feedbacknya secara personal saya berikan setiap kelompok, jadi tolong dibagikan ke teman-teman kamu supaya teman-teman kamu oh iya tahu, karena filenya kan cuma kalian satu orang yang kumpul. Don't forget to share to your friends. I will check it later ya, because I also join your group so I can check what's going on there ya. Okay, reminder, this is just a quick reminder ya. For those who present, I will give you feedback and comments or maybe questions from me or audience later. Kalau ada pertanyaan silakan tanya. Lebih baik sih audience yang nanya. Kalau sir yang nanya pasti kalian nanti, aduh apa ya jawabannya ya, aduh apa ya, aduh aku nggak tahu. Kalau audiens yang nanya mungkin kan bisa disesuaikan, ya. So for those who ask your friends questions or probably a question, ya, you will get 10 points. Remember that one, ya. Dapat 10 poin kalau yang nanya. And then this is the rubric, ya. Remember that I assess you with the certain aspects such as content, ya, konten kalian, of course, ya, including the grammar letter for the content, collaboration, organization, ya, how the flow, ya, and presentation 10 minutes, ya. Please speak clearly and don't forget to turn on your camera while you are presenting the material. Ya, and I want to see how confident you are, ya. Jangan lupa buka kameranya ya kalau presentasi, ya. Oke, yang ngebuka kamera, you know the consequences. Okay, for those who don't present, please make a summary of each group that presented in Microsoft Word with the following format individually. Jadi jangan lupa ya bikin summary ya. Jadi jangan cuma nonton doang. I believe that some of you will be sleepy later or will sleep. That's why I give you assignments ya. Ada yang ketawa di sini. Supaya kalian supaya kalian tahu apa grup 2 ya, jangan lupa catat ya important things. I give you 4 days loh. 4 days loh. And then if you manage your time wisely, I believe that you can make it. Ya nggak susah kok, maksudnya nggak panjang-panjang ya minta. You just search on the Google about the successful people, and then you present it, and then you need to make 4 sentences, only 4 sentences. Ya, are you ready for the presentation, everyone yang di meeting? Aduh, I believe that you say no ya. Ada yang gimana? Sudah ready? Are you ready, everyone? Krik. Are you ready, everyone? No.
No.
You must ya, you must be ready. Sudah harus ready ya. I have already told you ya before this meeting ya. Kalau ser mendadak baru salah ser ya. Ini kan udah. Okay, let's use Google Spin ya. No, I should say wheels of names ya. Kita akan acak siapa grup pertama. Remember ya, you have to know your group number ya. Ingat kelompok 1 siapa, kelompok 2 siapa. Name picker ya. There are only, I guess this because of limitation of time. There are only 4 or 3 groups ya today ya. Jadi ada 3 sampai 4. Nanti next meeting we are going to continue later ya. Jadi nanti next meeting kita akan continue lagi. Let's spin. So congratulations for the first group is jeng. Group 8. Langsung lagi. Oke, group 8 ya. You have a winner ya, group 8 ya. Kenapa di sini ketawa banget ya? Di meeting pasti ketawa nih. Jangan malu-malu kalau ketawa ya. Oke, group 8 ya. Oke, for the second group ya. Kita 3 grup dulu. Kalau have the time kita akan lanjut. Ya, congratulations for group 7 ya. Group 8, group 7. Let's take a note. Nanti kita lupa ya, jangan lupa. Pinjam bentar aja. Penser. Oke ya. Iya, kita dong yang pertama langsung di chat langsung ya. Benar ya, 8 sama 7. Good ya. And the third group is jeng udah mulai khawatir, Vivi khawatir. Iya, grup jangan Casey, grup 1 ya. Congratulations. So, Oke, nggak apa-apa ya. Pokoknya tenang aja ya. Ini kita jangan takut dulu ya. The most important thing just go on ya. Just go on, just moving on, okay? Just moving on, Ya. Jangan pikirkan yang lain, jangan pikir aduh grammar aku gimana, aduh ini aku gimana, jangan ya, jangan pikirkan itu dulu. Nanti itu jadi feedbacknya ya. Believe me or not ya. Oke, so for the relax ya, relax, tarik nafas. Ayo di meeting ini tarik nafas, hembuskan. Ya, kelompok 8 tarik nafas, hembuskan. Ya, tarik nafas. Oke, silakan grup 8 without any further ado, please turn on your camera for group 8. Because of kita kan mau ini juga dong latihan. Nanti kalau PTMT kalian nggak bisa presentasi malah gugup pula kan? Jangan gugup ya. Semangat grup 8 ya. Mana nih ada oh, bentar. I need to remind you again ya. Buka kameranya. Ayo. Ayo silakan. Nih ya grupnya. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Yang tadi itu kan apa? Saya ada summary. Itu mau tulis apa ya?
Remember that you need to tag the important things, ya, important things about the group presentation. Presentation grupnya kamu catat, penting-penting, ya. Yang penting yang mana gitu. One paragraph, only one paragraph, ya. Remember, I have already told you. Ya, apa?
Catat semua tokohnya, ya, sir.
Boleh, boleh. Yang penting satu paragraf aja, summary-nya ya, nggak usah banyak-banyak. Make one paragraph, only one paragraph ya. Either you want to tag important things, ya, what you have learned about the group presentation, or you want to tag the note about the each successful people there, ya. Jadi boleh juga, per toko juga boleh, ya. Oke, yang lain jangan lupa ya, ingat. Materinya sudah terbelikan kemarin, tolong dibuka lagi. Ya, ada lagi mau tanya, Naik?
Itu mau summary berapa tokoh ya, sir?
It's up to you actually. It's just one paragraph. Ya, it's up to you. Either you want to write it down all the successful people, that's fine. Oke, jangan ngulur-ngulur waktu ya. Nanti kalau mau tanya chat aja ya, jangan ngulur-ngulur waktu ya. Sir juga pernah muda, jadi ngerti gimana rasanya. Oke, so without any further ado, please group 8 ya, please group 8. Cuman ada Casey sama Chelsea, what about Evelyn yang tidak buka kamera, maka Sir tidak bisa nilai confidence-nya ya. Oke, Sir akan mute, Sir akan jadi I'm going to make Chelsea as the presenter or who?
Jangan saya, Sir. Kanvanya bukan di laptop, adanya di HP.
Oh,
HP-nya
who will be the presenter?
Kemarin sempat latihan pakai Casey sih yang share screen.
Okay, but Casey, you forgot to bring your laptop ya? Nggak bawa laptop? You don't. Oke, pakai handphone aja nggak masalah. Share screen pakai handphone, come on. Sir akan jadikan Chelsea aja ya, Chelsea ya, supaya nggak kita hemat waktu.
Sir, HP saya nggak bisa share screen. Udah coba kemarin.
Siapa yang bisa share screen? Come on. Casey bisa? Evelyn or Casey? Evelyn, oke, Evelyn ya, you share screen ya. Because if you ngulur-ngulur waktu, ya, if you just spend the time ya, nanti kita nggak ada nilai nih, kan, lumayan kan. Ingat kelompok pertama tuh biasanya Sir lebih baik hati loh. Ya kan, lebih baik hati kah Sir? Iya, pokoknya Sir baik hati kok sama yang hari ini presentasi. Yang tidak presentasi hari ini Sir jahat. Enggak ya, canda. Yang presentasi pertama lebih baik kok, tenang aja. Enggak ya, enggak. Kita objektif ya. Oke, I will make you as the presenter. Vanilla Alicia, come on please. Are you ready please? 10 minutes, start from now. Please share the screen. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Thank you Kylie for telling me that ya. I know your internet connections it's not really good, that's fine. Ayo silakan di share screen. Oke, saya sudah bisa lihat ya. Good ya. Oke, I like the Canva ya. It's really amazing ya. Oke, so cuman ada Chelsea. Oh ya, Evelyn kan share screen ya. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Okay, without any further ado, let's start the presentation. I'm going to turn off my camera so you, uh, at least you can reduce your what? Your gugup, your nervous, yeah, I know, yeah, your nervousness, yeah. Jadi siapa tahu nggak gugup. So I'm going to turn off my microphone too. Without any further ado, let's present for the group A. You may start now.
Okay, good morning, sir and everyone. Today we are going to present our English assignment. Our group members is Casey Alicia, Chelsea Verania Layardi, Evelyn Alicia, Olivia Oktariski, and Vivi.
Jack Ma is the founder and chairman of Alibaba Group. He is the first Chinese citizen to ever appear in Forbes magazine and list as a world billionaire. In 2015, he entered the list of the most influential people in the world at number 22. Well, 42.5 billion. Short biography, the Alibaba founder. Has to. Jack Ma has to wake up at 6 or 7 a.m. because he has to go to work. Have to. Alibaba have to increase the domestic e-commerce market because Alibaba be the right one retailer for small business in China to penetrate the global market. Doesn't has to. Jack Ma doesn't have to work 24 hours because he want to enjoy time with his family. Don't have to. All failures don't have to discourage him, but he works hard and thinks failure is the key to success. Next, Chelsea.
Bill Gates. Bill Gates is a CEO founder of Microsoft. He was the chairman of Microsoft. He was also Chief Executive Officer or CEO of Microsoft. Short biography, the CEO of Microsoft. Bill Gates has a net worth around 134.2 billion. Bill Gates has to always read a book because with reading he can learn something new. From book he can also see the world and get many new ideas for his work. When Bill Gates has a team, they have to work together because that will make they get new ideas and critics from each other, and that will make he can be more creative to make something new that can make the company achieve many success. All his failures don't have to make him afraid or give up, but he has to think that failures are for make him a better person, and he can be mistakes and improve it to be the new ideas. Bill Gates doesn't have to take an opportunity if the opportunity is not very promising, because that will only be waste of time and money and only become fail. Next, Casey.
Chris Pratt. Chris Pratt, or Christopher Michael Pratt, is a man who works as an actor and voice actor. He is one of the most popular actors in the world. One of the films he acted in was Jurassic World, Avengers, Guardian of the Galaxy, The Tomorrow War, Passengers, and the Magnificent Seven. This successful man named Chris Pratt has a total worth 546 miliar rupiah or 40 million US dollar. Short biography, actor and voice actor. Well, 40 million US dollar. Chris Pratt has to always believe in God and keep breathing, because that will help him stay strong in his job. To be a successful actor, Chris Pratt doesn't have to have a handsome face, but need to always practice hard so his acting can be good. All of his trouble and struggle don't have to make him give up to be an actor, because he do a lot of hard work and keep trying, and after that all things, he can be a good and famous actor until now. If he's strong and smart, all of that have to be used for something good, like be a protector for someone weak and be humble. And that will make him success because he's good at it. Next, Vivi.
Stefani Jelena Angelina Germanotta, or Lady Gaga, is a woman who works as an actor, music producer, songwriter, and singer. One of Lady Gaga's most popular songs is the song entitled Bad Romance. That song is very popular according to the calculation. Lady Gaga total worth is 3,8 triliun rupiah. The money is earned from selling album stars, song royalties, and endorsement. Short biography, American actor, music producer, songwriter, singer. Worth 3,8 triliun rupiah. Lady Gaga doesn't have to success from singing alone. She can with her friends because if she sings with her friends, it will make her mood good, and when she sings, it will even better. Our success comes from hard work. We don't have to sing, but have to do other things. Maybe we can try a lot of things and can learn a lot from that. Lady Gaga has to do a lot of practicing singing and do a hard work for her successful because success is never happened if you don't work hard. Lady Gaga and her teams have to work together to make cohesiveness on the song or choreography because that will make the performer more success and active. Next, Olivia.
Nikita Willy. Nikita Purnamawati is a girl from Jakarta who works as an actor, presenter, singer, YouTuber, and director. Eka Gustiawana ever made a song called Ku Tetap Menanti for Nikita Willy. And this song began to be discussed a lot and become popular. Nikita Willy is the age of 6 years, and every time she makes film, she gets 75 juta rupiah per episode. Short biography. Actor, presenter, singer, YouTuber, and director. Nikita Willy has to always practice acting because with that Nikita Willy can get the character she wants. Nikita Willy parents have to always support Nikita Willy because it has also made Nikita Willy as successful as she is now. When Nikita Willy is endorsed, Nikita Willy doesn't have to expect endorse if endorse is not safe or entertain because it will only waste time and can be dangerous if not safe. The failure she gets don't have to make him give up for or feel like a complete failure, but she must make his failure to be better and more successful.
And that's all about our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Okay, thank you. Can we give applause for Group A? Yeah, congratulations for Group A. You have finished the presentation and then you spent 6 minutes and we still have 4 minutes. Any questions, everyone? Ada yang mau tanya before I give the feedback or comments? Ada yang mau tanya? Ada yang mau tanya? Any questions? So I guess because of your slides cannot be seen clearly ya. Make sure that kalau kalian presentation ya, grupnya harus sudah siap ya dengan laptop or probably some kind of like that. And then don't talk too fast ya, because if you talk too fast ya, kalau kalian ngomong terlalu cepat nanti teman-teman kalian nggak ngerti apa yang kalian ngomong ya. Especially for Evelyn Alizia because you talk too fast ya. That's why I can just like what's that? And then don't talk too fast. That's the most important thing ya. Ini buat next group ya, tidak boleh ngomong terlalu cepat. If you talk too fast and we cannot understand about that part ya, kita jadi nggak tahu apa yang kita ngomongkan ya. The most important is the how you deliver the speech ya. Okay, thank you ya. Don't talk too fast. And then please louder your voice because Chelsea, you speak too soft ya, I guess ya. And Cassie, I can hear your voice. Vivian and Olivia, yeah, good. Evelyn, Alicia, not really clear, yeah. But I should remind you that you need to speak clearly, yeah. And then there are some grammar error, yeah. But I cannot tell you here. But later I'm going to give you feedback, ya. Nanti saya akan berikan feedback nanti di catatan di Teams ya. But most of you still need to practice about how you pronounce the numbers ya. Ada yang baca langsung 75 juta rupiah, 546 triliun, 3,8 triliun ya. Remember that you need to practice again 3.8 trillion, 3,8 75 75. 546. Itu juga ya. And then please be concise. Which one do you want to use ya? Yang mana yang kamu mau pakai, present simple or past simple? Because some of you still kayak in 2015 kamu pakai present tense. It must be past tense. And ya, grammar errors ya still ya. And then please a subject verb agreement ya. Subjek sama verbnya harus diperhatikan. Kalau mau tambah s ya harus ditambah s. Kalau enggak gitu ya. And then please research again about especially Nikita Willy ya. I guess that it's not really complete ya. And you also mention he. Padahal Nikita Willy itu perempuan, seharusnya she ya. Pronouns ya. Pronounsnya paling penting. Okay. So because of your Canvas slide cannot be seen clearly, please share this Canvas slide to your friends ya. Silakan bagikan ke teman-teman grup teman-teman kamu. And then for those yang make summary jangan copy paste ya. I will check with plagiarism all of your work. Kalau kalian plagiarismnya di atas 25% with the plagiarism checker, I will give you 0. I'm not gonna play about that one ya. Jangan ada yang plagiat ya. Jangan ada yang plagiat sama sekali di kelas ini. Ya, ingat kalau kalian copy paste dari slide teman kamu dan sama dan plagiarismenya di atas 25, maka Sir akan berikan nilai 0. Ya, jangan sampai main-main. Oke, next ya, next group. Next group is group 7. Who is group 7? Let's check. Ginny, Davin Alpha, Lovenia, Marcos, Steve, Richard. Yeah. So I will give the time. Who will be the presenter? Siapa jadi presenternya? Who will be the presenter? Ginny. Siapa presenternya Ginny?
Saya.
Okay, Ginny ya. Okay, good. I'm going to make you as the presenter. Okay, please share, please everyone. Ayo yang lain buka kameranya yuk. Davin Alpha. Mana nih? Davin Alpha, siapa? Steve, Ginny, mana Lovenia? Ayo buka kameranya, come on. Harus terbiasa ya dengan buka kamera. Kenapa? Nanti kalau kalian presentasi di PTM, kalian kan nggak mungkin tutup kamera. Gimana mau tutup kamera kan kalau di PTM kan? Harus nanti juga nampak muka kalian. Nah, cantik-cantik dan ganteng-ganteng ya. Marco Marcelino, what about Steve? Steve, come on, you have to present now. Okay, Steve, thank you ya. So please Ginny, without any further ado, I'm going to turn off my camera. And you may start, wait, stopwatch, wait. You may start now, please. Oh, you share the screen first. Please share the screen. Jangan ada yang kemana-mana ya, harus perhatikan ya. Steve, jangan ditutup dong mukanya. Delete, perhatikan. How I can assess your confidence ya. So far sih bagus ya nilainya ya untuk kelompok 8 ya. You pass the score. Evelyn jangan kasih kita yang edit, kasih link preview. Iya, kasih link previewnya, betul ya. Jangan kasih edit, kasih link previewnya. Ya, lulus ya. Okay, so you may start now.
Good morning, sir, and our friend. I am Ginny. So my group number is 7. My member group is Davin, Lovenia, Marco, and Steve.
William Henry Bill Gates III is an American business magnate, investor, philanthropist, author, and former CEO and current chairman of Microsoft, the software company he CEO founded with Paul Allen. Through his hard work, the company he founded, called Microsoft Corporation, became successful, and Bill Gates sought to become a millionaire. In 1990, Bill Gates successfully released a very successful operating system on the world market. However, Bill Gates also got a bad reputation in his career. Not just once. He even made several mistakes in his software business. Bill Gates has to work with his team. Working with a team will make you accept ideas and critique change in the team. Make sure you don't work alone. You must have a team for the progress of the company. Bill Gates doesn't have to put effort. He always got his job done quickly. He adheres to the principles of his work because competition in the business world continues to occur. If the company is If the company is not fast, it will be crucified by another company. Bill Gates and his friends have to realize that all times and human needs are constantly changing. Therefore, the products they have are also adapted to the change. This is where the importance of innovation and creativity so that the company continues to survive. Bill Gates and his friends don't have to be afraid to take risks because the decision was Bill Gates dropped out of one of the best universities in the world. Even though he also knows that there is a risk of failure that he must face. From Bill Gates' decision, it can be seen that Bill Gates not only has a great passion to make his dreams come true.
Larry Ellison won his turn in computers. Then he was self-taught and took several computer. Then he applied to the company and got a job at an investment firm called Fireman's Fund as a computer technician. Then we moved to work at a company called West Fargo for the same 4 years. Then Larry decided to leave and joined to work at the Unpacked company. Here Larry worked as a programmer in IBM mainframe development. They don't have to publish in the newspaper about successful people because they don't propose products. He doesn't have to step down as a oracle CEO, handing control over to Ford and Kraft, who become CEO. Now he has to be company chairman and chief technology officer. Following her death in 2019, Katz became the sole CEO. In 1877, Edison and two other associates that have launched software development labs and were employed by the CIA to develop a regional database management system in 1178. Next is Slovenia.
Jack Ma, the richest man in China. Jack Ma is oriented to be number one richest person in China. He is founder of Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is a site that connects Chinese exporters with overseas buyers. Many reviewers have dubbed him the crazy because of the super crazy and fantastic. Jack Ma has studied hard because this way can get ahead. Jack Ma and his teamwork have to find people smarter than Jack Ma because Jack Ma wants to make sure people can win. Jack Ma said we don't have to complain, just look for other because success people never complain but keep to their best to get the goal. Jack Ma doesn't have to worry with action because that makes him even more brave and chance.
Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, or Mark, is known for creating the social networking site Facebook with his friends. Facebook was founded as a private company in 2004 by Zuckerberg and his classmates while students at Harvard University. Facebook, created by Zuckerberg in 2004, bought Instagram in 2011 and acquired WhatsApp 2 years later. Mark Zuckerberg has to read a new book every week because reading is intellectually fulfilling. Mark Zuckerberg and his team have to morning run because exercise will improve your mental health, help you become more physically fit, build your confidence, you can gain new experience, and give you the opportunity to meet people all over the world. Mark Zuckerberg doesn't have to hide his struggles because when you share your struggles with other people, you actually building relationship with other people. You don't have to learn a new language to support your career or business because the most important thing about Mark Zuckerberg is to keep learning and always open your mind to new things that you don't know.
Reef Elon Musk is a figure business investor and industrialist from the United States. He is the founder, CTO, and CEO of SpaceX, CEO and production architect of Tesla, founder of the Boring Company, and founder of Neuralink. After studying commerce at Queen School of Business from 2 years, Musk earned a bachelor's degree in economics from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania and a bachelor's degree in physics. Musk continued to studying physics to Stanford University in 1995, but only took class for 2 days to continue his career by founding Zip2. Musk also played a role in the founding of PayPal. Musk have 3 nationalities: South Africa, Canada, and United States. Elon Musk have 5 sons. Elon Musk and his younger brother have founded Zip2. Elon Musk never has a breakfast.
This is our output presentation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you ya. Sorry ya, because the internet connection is not really good here, so I should move to with my internet data. And I was yang ngelag benar-benar banget ya. Sorry for that one ya. I was rejoin again, and then I hear some students also turn on their speaker so I can hear the presentation too, even though I was not in this meeting ya. Jadi tadi terlempar keluar ya. Okay, so yeah, I guess I'm going to give a feedback. Any questions from the audience? Ada yang mau tanya audiensnya? Any questions from the audience? Any questions from the audience? Ada yang mau tanya? Hello, any questions? No one? Okay, let me give you a question. Yes, please, Chelsea.
Mau tanya, Sir, yang tadi kan di bagian presentasinya ada yang Elon Musk kan, yang kalimat have to, has to, dan lain-lain. Itu tuh tentang kriteria menjadi suksesnya atau memang fakta-faktanya, Sir?
Oke, silakan grup Gini, please ya. Please use English ya, Chelsea ya. So, if you want to ask questions, please type first ya. Oke, silakan dijawab. Yang Elon Musk, silakan dijawab. Tadi what was your questions? Please repeat your question. Silakan Chelsea, repeat your questions ke mereka supaya mereka bisa jawab.
Pakai bahasa apa, Sir?
English, that's fine. Indonesia, that's fine. English first.
English ya. Tadi gimana ya? Bingung juga nih.
That's fine.
Tadi kan di presentationnya di bagian Elon Musk part that have a sentence that have to, has to, and the others. But if that is a fact or about the criteria to be a success people?
Okay, good, Chelsea. Thank you, yeah, Chelsea. Yeah. So the question is, yeah, for the Elon Musk part, yeah, for the Elon Musk part, yeah. Can you help me, Theo? For the Elon Musk part, yeah, I don't know who. Kayaknya yang present itu adalah Marco Marcelino. Because I was not in this meeting, ya, terkeluar because of the internet connection. Ya, jadi tadi pertanyaan Chelsea adalah for the Elon Musk part, is that a criteria or just the fact? Jadi cuma fakta atau kriterianya for the Elon Musk? Ayo silakan dijawab. Yang jawaban tadi yang doesn't have to, bagian doesn't have to yang pertama-tama awal-awal untuk Elon Musk. Tinggal 3 menit lagi untuk jawab. Ayo. Silakan dijawab apakah itu kriteria atau fakta. Is that a criteria or fact? Krik 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 krik, apa yo jawabannya yang kelompok presentation. Come on. For those who present, come on please. No one? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Sorry for the group 7. So, yang tadi presentation Elon Musk siapa? Angkat tangan dulu. Yang presentation Elon Musk siapa? Saya nggak mau nyebut nama. Steve. Oke, Steve. Kenapa kamu nggak jawab? Jawab aja pakai bahasa Indonesia or English. Just mix ya. Make sure that you mix ya. Oh, sorry, I make it as a presenter. Sorry. Jadi harus mix ya. So if you cannot answer the questions, just mix with bahasa Indonesia and make sure that you also use English. Kayak Chelsea tadi kan pakai bahasa Inggris juga tuh. Pakai bahasa Inggris dan bahasa Indonesia. That's fine for me if you want to mix ya. Thank you ya. So my feedback is just only the grammar errors, that the first one, and then please be confident when you are presenting this material because you are good, already good enough. That's the most important thing. And then please summarize your slide ya, because I don't like the slide yang too many ya. Tadi slide-nya Chelsea sama Ginny juga sama ya. Kelompok kalian terlalu banyak tulisan bagi saya. There are too many words there, sentences. Kamu cuma boleh kayak masukin aja have to apa, nanti because-nya kamu yang jelaskan. So kind of like that. For example lagi nih, Elon Musk have to work or get up in the morning. Nanti because-nya kamu yang jelasin aja in this meeting because seperti itu ya. So please next time if we have a group presentation, please ya, don't make it too long because I can read it by myself. If you ask me to read it, I can read it ya. Jadi I don't have to hear you if I want ya. Jadi kan harus dipangkas slide-nya ya. Please summarize the slide and then make it like not more than 10 slides ya, not more than 5 slides because it's just like Ya, apa aja poin-poinnya? There are some points. That's it. And then pronunciation, please be practice. Only Ginny, Evangelia, and Lovenia are really ready, I guess. Yeah, and Marco Marcelino. For Davin and Steve, you have to practice again and again. Ya, practice lagi supaya nggak lancar. Ya, yang paling lancar di sini cuma Ginny. Ya, Lovenia good, Steve good, enough. Marco Marcelino good. Ya, Davin Alpha good. Ya. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your presentation, and can we give applause for group 7? Sangat baik ya, sudah sangat baik ya. Pertahankan lagi. You pass the speaking skills test ya. Okay, can we have group 1? Silakan group 1 siapa? Make sure that you work with your mic too ya, because some of your friends cannot be heard. The voice ya, I cannot hear your voice. Some like Lovenia tuh kecil banget, lembut banget. Ya, jadi make sure that kamu pakai headset atau apapun itu ya. Kalian nggak pernah presentasi sebelumnya? Pernah kan? Pernah kan? You know about that, how it works ya. Oke, siapa presenternya yang kelompok Kylie, kelompok 1? Who will be the presenter? Kylie, okay. Make sure that you speak louder ya, Kylie ya. Your English is good, but your mic is broken. I really hate your mic. Okay, where is Kylie? Kylie's name. Okay, Kylie will be the presenter. I hope that you use your laptop, because if you are using your phone, it will be difficult for us to see the slide ya. But for those yang grupnya nggak ada laptop ya nggak apa-apa kayak tadi kan. Tapi kalau ada laptop, tolong gunakan laptop ya. Okay, good ya. So by the way, Kylie's group are really prepared ya, because I also join the group working too. Mereka sangat prepare, sama juga kelompok yang lain juga. Tapi join di grup Kylie itu really prepared ya. Ada latihannya, ada ininya. Bener nggak Vincent? Bener, bener Theo, bener prepared, bener nggak? Bingung bener. Teresa bener nggak? You prepare a lot for that one. Iya benar ya. Oke, ya sudah share screen ya. I'm going to turn off my camera.
Okay.
And then let me make it louder. Okay ya. You may start. Wait, let me use this one. Okay, you may start now, please.
Okay, I'm going to start the presentation from 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, we're from group 1. So today we're going to tell you about successful people's story. But before that, I'm going to introduce you to our members. They are Vincent, Olivia, Teresa, Theo, and Kylie. Okay, then let's start for the successful people's story.
Please turn on your camera. Sorry for interrupt.
I cannot open my camera because I share screen, sir.
Oh yeah, it's okay, yeah? It's okay for the presenter, that's fine.
Okay, thank you. Should we try one more time for the presentation?
Oh yes, please, because your voice is not really clear. Was not really clear, I mean.
Okay, Okay, I'm gonna start the presentation from 3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, we're from group 1. So today we're gonna tell you about successful people's story. But before that, I'm gonna introduce you to our members. They are Vincent, Olivia, Teresa, Theo, and Kylie. Okay, then let's start for the successful people's story.
Atta Halilintar. Atta played YouTube until he was successful. He has been playing YouTube since 2014, and until now he is still playing YouTube. Atta has 27 million subscribers, and he is already an artist. Atta Halilintar income is estimated to reach 633 million to 10.1 billion every month. He has to be enthusiastic for the sake of his subscribers, so that his subscribers are excited to watch. Atta Halilintar played YouTube for 7 years. He has younger siblings who play YouTube too. and they have to please their parent. He and his siblings should make their parents proud and make them happy, because he used to be so poor that he once had a meal at the invitation. He playing YouTube and he already an artist, and he doesn't have to give up because he wants to be famous and become rich. He and his siblings play YouTube until they become famous. They don't have to stop playing YouTube, because if he stop playing YouTube, he cannot be famous and rich.
Next, Jack Ma, Chinese entrepreneur who was the head or co-founder and executive chairman of Alibaba Group, which is China's most popular website. In China, Jack Ma is synonymous with success. The English teacher who turned into the internet entrepreneur is the one of country's richest person, and Jack Ma's wealth is 42.5 US dollar. He doesn't have to do all things by himself, because he has to believe that he cannot succeed without a good team members, because he is not professional in many ways, such as technology, so he needs great people with great skills in the organization. They have to cooperate well to make the organization success, and that's not an easy thing. But they don't have to work too hard, but work smart to save up more energy and have a better work quality.
Elon Musk is an entrepreneur and business magnate. He started getting his feet wet as a serial tech entrepreneur with early success like Zip2. He co-founded the electronic payment firm PayPal. His wealth is 219.9 billion USD. He doesn't have to afraid to think big because you can do whatever you like. He wants to revolutionize the car industry, colonize Mars, and more. People may have wanted him to fail because there is a kind of arrogance about his ambition, but he rejects that. He has to ignore the critic. Because he said, I think it will be arrogant if he said we're definitely going to do it as opposed to we're pressing to do it and we're going to give our best shot. They don't have to always think about money because there are other important things in this world, and they have to enjoy themselves because we need to indulge in enjoyment.
Okay, wait. Okay. Because of the limitation of the time, thank you so much for Kylie's group. We will continue for Kylie's group next meeting. You are the first. After this, who? Habis Teresa siapa? Olivia Anthony and Theo. Okay, Olivia Anthony and Theo will be presented next week. Kamu akan will present next week ya. And please present the slide next week because of the limitation of the time. So for after this ya, we are going to, karena waktunya sudah tidak banyak. So don't forget to, I'm going to share this link ya. This is the metacognition sheets ya. What have you learned, how you can apply the topic, what question do you still have about the topic, yeah. So please make sure that you fill out here. If you fill out this metacognition sheet, I will give you 5 points. Don't forget to write your name. Yeah, this is just a reflection. So this is today's reflection. Because of the time, you are going to fill out these sheets ya. Jangan lupa isi, ada barcode-nya juga. This is the barcode, you can scan it ya. Nanti saya akan ingatkan lagi di announcement. And then for the next week, yeah, for the group who presents, please submit your Canvas slide. Don't forget to share to your friends. Yeah. After this, I'm going to give the assignment section, so you can submit your summary and your Canvas slides. Yeah. But just wait. After this, I'm going to teach 8B, so you just wait. For those who haven't, yeah, please please submit your summaries before 7 p.m. I'm going to give you the extended time, yeah. Okay, next week we are going to continue the presentation. Jangan lupa kita akan lanjut presentasi. And then for those who haven't, please pay attention to the rubric again, ya. Jangan bikin panjang-panjang, just point. And then for the remedial, I'm going to contact you one by one for the remedial, okay? So for today, we don't have any assignments. Just fill out the metacognition sheet sebagai refleksi kita pada hari ini because we don't have any much time to reflect together. So we are going to reflect it on this Padlet.com ya, aplikasi ini. So I can just give you comment there and give it to you your feedback or some kind of like that. Okay. So for Kylie's group, we are going to continue next week. This okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So any questions so far about today's topic? Thank you so much for those who have already present. Yeah, sorry, I remove you for a minute now. Okay, so thank you so much for everyone, for those who have already present, and then for those who haven't, yeah, just be ready for that one. Don't make it too stressful. Yeah, make sure that you prepare a lot for that one. Okay, I think that's all for today, and then I will see you next week. And goodbye. See you. Bye. Thank you so much. Don't forget to do your metacognition sheet and summary. Bye-bye. Jangan lupa ya metacognition sama summary.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
See you. Bye. Bye. We are waiting for Pak Manopo, right? Okay. Bye-bye. Congratulations, everyone. Bye. Okay. I will stop recording too.